How to check if a specific Windows security update is installed? Given that the WannaCry ransomware exploit is going around, I wanted to check if my computer has the specific security update that should stop the vulnerability. Apparently, MS17010, assuming I'm understanding the vulnerability and that is indeed the right patch. How would one check that detail? Microsoft tries to give some detail, but it's gibberish to someone who's not well versed with registry keys. I think I touched them once before to dig out a stubborn virus back when XP was still a thing. That's it. Other searches give some clues regarding command line options, but they're not all that clear, and I don't like running commands I don't understand.
Then in the Windows 10 Update History, check for an entry containing the KB4013429. At my system, this patch was successfully installed in the mid of March and is named Cumulative Update for Windows 10 version 1607 for x64 based systems, KB4013429.
Checking for a specific KB is bad, because updates get replaced with newer updates and the disk cleaner deletes such old replaced/superseded Windows updates. You need to check the KB page and look for file version data of the update for each Windows you use, and now look if the user has at least this file version or a newer one. This will always return the correct result. If the update gets replaced and removed, the check always shows you are insecure, but the issue is already fixed. If you use Windows 10, make sure you have the latest update rollup installed. In May 2017, those are:
You have given the answer yourself. Open a PowerShell prompt and type this. This snippet will only read datas, so nothing wrong can happen with it. You only have to adjust with the KB you want to check. As specified in the MS Security Bulletin MS17010, this URL, the KB number depends of your OS. For example, the KB number for Windows 10 v1607 is KB4013429. As mentioned in this URL, hotfix are regularly replaced by newer one. So a specific fix might be present but the original hotfix be missing.
Hier ist nur auf Ausbruch begangen.